This chocolate cake in a mug has a gooey peanut butter center. In a small bowl, combine a quarter cup of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of white or granulated sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Once that's whisked together and there are no streaks of flour remaining, pour in a quarter cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. After mixing, you should have a smooth, chocolatey concoction that you can then pour into a microwave-safe mug. Of course, you could also mix this all together in the mug you'll be using, but this way helps to keep the sides clean, which means the cake will rise better. In another small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of smooth peanut butter with 1 tablespoon of mini chocolate chips. It won't take much mixing to combine them, then you can scoop the mixture up and place it in the center of the batter. Gently press the peanut butter into the batter until it's covered, then microwave the whole thing on high for 1 minute. This is the perfect treat for all you peanut butter chocolate lovers out there, and it's so easy to make too. Check out one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.